The U.S. Army has made a significant move towards modernization by awarding Salesforce a $5.6 billion contract. This initiative aims to integrate AI and CRM systems into military operations, marking a substantial step in enhancing operational efficiency and readiness. The contract underscores the military's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology to maintain its strategic edge. Meanwhile, the U.S. Marine Corps has invested $23.9 million in acquiring over 600 Anduril Bolt-M systems. These systems are designed to enhance precision strike capabilities, providing Marine infantry with advanced tools for engaging adversaries effectively. This investment highlights the ongoing emphasis on precision and technological superiority in military engagements. In the Middle East, Edge has secured a contract to supply 168 advanced unmanned helicopters to the UAE Ministry of Defence. This deal reflects the growing demand for unmanned systems in modern warfare, as nations seek to enhance their capabilities with autonomous technology. The contract is one of the largest of its kind, emphasizing the strategic importance of unmanned aerial systems. DSIT Solutions has launched the GhostFin sonar suite for unmanned underwater vehicles, enhancing anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare capabilities. This development is crucial for maintaining maritime security, as it provides advanced surveillance and detection capabilities, narrowing the gap between unmanned vehicles and traditional submarines. On the global stage, China has introduced the Shark 10 armed USV, marking its entry into the autonomous surface platform market. This move signifies China's growing capabilities in unmanned systems and its intention to expand its influence in maritime security. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw a decline of 1.26% to $167.47. The company's involvement in the U.S. Army's modernization contract with Salesforce has been a focal point, as investors weigh the potential long-term benefits of such large-scale government contracts against immediate market reactions. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a drop of 1.65% to $302.67. The company's performance is closely tied to developments in drone technology, such as Fortem Technologies' recent advancements in autonomous multi-target engagement systems. This competitive landscape impacts investor sentiment and market positioning. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, rose by 3.03% to $155.56. The company's strong upward momentum is supported by its recent expansion in the UK nuclear services sector, with contracts valued at $730 million. This diversification into energy solutions is seen as a positive growth vector. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, increased by 0.84% to $111.32. The company's prospects are buoyed by the U.S. Marine Corps' investment in Anduril's Bolt-M systems, which aligns with Kratos' focus on advanced defense technologies and precision strike capabilities. Rheinmetall AG, ticker symbol RHM.DE, edged up by 0.22% to $1,795.00, benefiting from increased European defense spending. As Germany ramps up military readiness, Rheinmetall stands to gain from heightened demand for defense solutions across the continent. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, fell by 1.55% to $581.66 amid concerns over the rising costs of the F-35 program. The program's $8 billion cost increase over 3 years has raised questions about budget management and potential impacts on future contracts. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, declined by 1.78% to $660.97, reflecting broader sector uncertainties. The company's performance is influenced by ongoing debates about European strategic autonomy and reliance on U.S. defense support. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. Monitor Salesforce's integration in military operations for tech sector opportunities. 2. Watch Edge's unmanned systems contracts for growth in autonomous tech. 3. Evaluate impacts of F-35 cost concerns on defense contractors like Lockheed Martin.